Xiaomi Redmi Note 5a's main camera has a 13MP sensor sitting behind f/2.2 lens. Phase detection autofocus is available, and there is a single LED flash. The image quality is good, photos are sharp and with enough detail. The colors are true to life, though sometimes a bit muted. There is noise, but considering the f/2.2 aperture, the levels are just fine for the class. The dynamic range is nothing to talk about, although it did manage to surprise us in more demanding scenes where the regular samples turned out better than the overexposed HDR ones. The Redmi Note 5a low-light shots came out soft in a variety of scenes. You can see what's in the picture, just don't expect much detail when you zoom in. There is a lot of noise, sometimes we also got blurry images due to the lack of stabilization, but those still would do for the social networks. If you leave the automatic HHT mode enabled, in settings, it enhances the low-light samples. We will get slightly less noise in the images, but most of the samples won't benefit from much more detail or higher contrast. But the improvement is far from the striking results on other Redmis, and considering the higher risk of a blurry image, we'd suggest this time around to leave the auto low-light enhancement off. You can capture only portrait panoramic photos with a 180-degree field of view. Shooting is easy and the resolution about 5MP, up 1,200px tall. The image quality is okay, there is enough resolve detail, accurate colors, and no signs of bad stitching. The dynamic range and the contrast are quite good. You should check how the Xiaomi Redmi Note 5a does against the Redmi 5 and Redmi Note 4 in our photo compare tool. We've pre-selected these two, but you are free to pick any other phone to compare it against.